Hey everybody, T-Rizz here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Pencil 2. The reason why I'm making an unboxing video of the Apple Pencil 2 is because, why not, but most importantly is because I got the iPad 2022 recently, specifically the M2 model, and unfortunately the M2 model forces me to retire my beloved Gen 1 Apple Pencil. I was a little bummed about that. There's some kind of, workarounds you can do to make it work, but honestly, it's just not worth the hassle. So unfortunately, I am going to retire this puppy and move on to the Apple Pencil 2. I am by no means an artist or an illustrator. I just happen to journal in my iPad, and occasionally I like to kind of flick around on the iPad with a pencil, even though that wasn't originally the case with the iPad. But anywho, story aside, or story taken care of, why don't we dive right in? So here it is, typical Apple presentation. Now, this model came out in 2018, so it is by no means new. And here it is, 2023. So, and I haven't seen any rumors about a new model. So, here's the back of it. There's all the serial information for you. Retail price is $129. I bought it from an Apple store. I live in Massachusetts, so it came out to about $137, all said and done. Okay, so conveniently they've given us a tab here to pull that. Look at that. There we go. Nice and easy. Alright, let's get rid of that, guys. Here we are. Here's the box. So it looks like there's another sticker right here. Just kind of actually pull it up. Wonderful. Alright, put that aside. Designed by Apple in California. Alright, we'll come back to that. Here is the pencil stylus itself. Does feel a little bit more like a Ticonderoga, that is for sure. Oh yeah, that actually feels a lot better, honestly. Comparing the two. I want to say similar in weight. This is more top heavy because of the connector here, at least. That's what I am feeling. Again, this is initial impression, so. But definitely appreciate the more pencil-like grip to it as opposed to the more just kind of smooth grip here. So let me move that aside, not to get confused. We'll put this one right over here. Going back to the Designed by Apple in California pamphlet or booklet. We have Apple Pencil, so that's fun. Just different, how to replace the tips, how to change modes, attaches magnetically to charge, pair. That's really not much, too much to say, honestly. Warranty information, and other parameters, all that fun stuff in multiple different languages. So, okay, is there anything else in here? Oh, a bit more of that. Keep that organized. Okay, is that it? All right, I do remember the original one coming with a couple extra tips, but let's see, let me put that back in there. There we go. Over there. Alrighty, well, so that was my unboxing of the Apple Pencil 2. I'm gonna go ahead, charge this up, play around with it a bit, and maybe I'll make a review of my thoughts and using it with the M2 iPad. Alrighty, well, hey, thanks everybody, and hope you have a great rest of your day.